Okay, really quick transition here. Sorry to jump in on this, but I just finished carving this really cool hand-carved boomerang. Luke and I thought, why not use the CNC and see what a machine can do? So Luke took over from here and programmed in Fusion 360 a boomerang, and he decided since we had a 5x5 table, he might as well make it the biggest boomerang we could fit on the CNC. So Luke did a great job, jumped in and took care of the machine-made boomerang.
Nice. Looks nice.
All right, going for it.
Here we go.
Oh gosh.
Ooh. Ooh.
That didn't work at all, man.
No.
That's how you hold it, right?
Other way.
Oh, like
Right?
this?
Yeah, like that.
Oh.
Yeah, try that. I thought that's what you did. Shoot.
You tried the
Honestly,
big one?
Can't even remember. Yeah, let's chunk it.
All right.
Oh, geez.
It works. Oh, it
Oh!
survived. It's hilarious, dude.
Scary.
It's pretty wild.
Oh, yeah. It's fine.
So did you hold it like that?
Did like that, maybe? I pointed left a little more, too. Maybe it's like off balance
It's
or
off
something.
balance.
Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
Oh, jeez, dude.
I got
That scared
scared.
the crap out of me.
I got scared. I thought it would go for my throat.
Yeah, that could knock you out.
I was gonna try to catch it. Oh, gee. Oh, wow. It's pretty. It's a good throw.
Kind of sliced my hand a little bit.
It's sharp.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
It's holding up good though. I think it looks better than the big one, that's for sure.
I just think I'm not destined to be a boomerang thrower. Okay, so, well, I gotta say, I think Luke wins on functionality. His boomerang worked really well. Mine did not work so well, but it does look cool. It's a nice looking Texas Pecan boomerang. You know, this one here would be like, if I could find a giant man, like a strongman competition dude to really hurl this, I bet you could get this thing really far out there, and I think it would come back to you, although you're not catching this. You would die if you tried to catch this. This thing is sharp, these edges. It would be lethal, I think. And, you know, the little one, I really thought Luke was going to take his head off with this thing. I can't believe you even thought about catching that, because even this thing would hurt. I have to say, the whole point of this video was to redeem myself, because I made a boomerang video like 6 years ago, and it failed, and I got a lot of heat in the comments. And here we are, round 2, nothing changed. So I think really honestly all it tells me is I'm not really destined to be a boomerang maker or a thrower. It's not my thing. So it looks cool, and I'll hang it on the wall. The old one broke and is no longer with us, so now I have one that actually is with us. And you know, my kids will go out and, well, if I let my kids play with it, they'll break it. But it basically is a wall hanger at this point. Leave me a comment. Let me know, what's your favorite, this one or this one? Be nice to me this time. Let's not be mean. I think I was throwing it right. I just don't think the aerodynamics are right on this one. But leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. As always, appreciate you guys tuning in. We'll see you on the next video.
Ooh.
It's kind of fun to throw without it returning.
What? Oh, it turned back.
I just need to like angle.
Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.
Ah! It's gone.
It didn't come back to me.